Now students, we are going to learn add vertically. That means we are going to start with the addition with carrying over of 3 digits. Here I have taken 637 plus 574. I have drawn columns, okay, mentioning units, tens, hundreds and thousands. After that, I have written for 637, I have written 7 in units place, 3 in tens place and 6 in hundreds place. Then for 574, I have taken 4 in units place, 7 in tens place and 5 in hundred place. Then write the plus sign over here. Then let's start the addition. 7 plus 4 is how much, children? If we add 7 to 4, we get here 11. Okay, we get here 11. So what we will do, if suppose in this 11, this one stands for units and this one stands for tens. So always we have to write the number which is in the units place. And the number which is there in the tens place, we are going to carry it over here to the tens place. Then now add 3 to 7. So 3 plus 7 is how much? 10. And again the number which we have carried over here, we are going to add it with this. So what we get? 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 1 is, again we are getting what? Again we are getting 11. So this 11, again if I mention here units and tens, I will be writing here the number in the units place and the number in the tens place I am going to carry it over here. Okay. Then 6 plus 5 is how much? 11. 11 plus 1 is how much? 12. 12. So this number which is there in the unit place is 2. So I will write this 2 over here and the number which is there in the tens place I am going to carry it over here to the thousands place. So here we don't have any digits corresponding to thousands. So here what we will do? We will do directly, we will add the number directly here to the final answer. So what we get is the final answer as 1211. Okay. Now second one is add vertically of 3 digits only. 489 plus 650. Children, second thing is we have to draw the columns mentioning the place value of unit, tens, hundreds and thousands. Then for 489, I have written here 9 in the units place, 8 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place. And for 650, 0 in the units place, 5 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place. Now let's begin with our addition. Here 9 plus 0 is how much, children? 0 doesn't have any value, so nothing is there. So 9 plus 0 is how much? 9 as it is. 9 plus 0 is how much? 9. When we add any number to 0, we get the same number. Keep in mind. Now next is 8 plus 5. We are starting with the tens now. We finished with the units. Now we are starting with the tens. 8 plus 5 is how much, children? It is 13. Okay. So in this 13, 3 is in the units place and 1 is in the tens place. So what I will be writing? I will be writing the digits which is in the units place. And this one I am going to carry over here to the hundreds place. Now next is, we have to start the addition in the hundreds place. 4 plus 6 is how much, children? It is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. Then 10 plus 1 is 11. So in this 11, again we are having this one stands for units, this one stands for tens. So we will write here the number which is in the units place and the number which is in the tens place we are going to carry to the thousands place. Now in thousands place, here you can see that we don't have any digits corresponding to 1000. So what we will do? We will directly bring this one here in the thousands place. So what is the final sum is Final answer is 1139. Followed? Students, here is the assignment for add vertically with carryover of 3 digits. Here I have given 5 questions. So these 5 questions you are going to do it neatly in your notebook by drawing columns, by putting correct place value to the respective digits, and complete all the questions in your notebook without fail. Now students, our next subtopic is addition with carrying over of 4 digits. Here I have taken 5643 plus 4179. I have drawn the columns and mentioning unit, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. For 5643 I have written 3 in the units place, 4 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place, 5 in the tens place. Then for 4179 I have written 9 in the units place, 7 in the tens place, 1 in the hundreds place, 4 in the thousands place. Then without forgetting, you are supposed to write plus sign because we are carrying out the addition, plus sign. Now as I have told you children, we are going to start the addition from the units place. Always you must start the addition from the units place. Let us start. 3 plus 9 is 12. 3 plus 9 is 12. So in this 12, as I have told you, 2 stands for units and 1 stands for tens. So I will be writing the digit which is in the units place. So I have written here 2, and this one I am going to carry it over here. Okay. Now we are going to add up this one. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. Again we are getting. So again the place value of 2 is units. The place value of 1 is tens. So we are going to write here the digit which stands for units. So I have written 2 here. Again 1 carried over here. Then this one we are going to add up with this, the digits which are in the hundreds place. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. Then after this we move on to thousands place. 5 plus 4 is 9. So what we get the sum as 9822. Now question number 2 of addition with carrying over of 4 digits. Here we have 7859 plus 8566. Students, I have drawn the columns over here mentioning the place value as unit, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. For 7859 I have written 9 in the units place, 5 in the tens place, 8 in the hundreds place and 7 in the thousands place. And for 8566 I have taken 6 in the units place, 6 in the tens place, 5 in the hundreds place and 8 in the thousands place. Now let us start with the addition. As I have told you, very important thing, whenever you carry out the addition, you must always start from the units place. Now 9 plus 6 is how much, children? 9 plus 6 is 15. So in this 15, the place value of 5 is units and the place value of 1 is tenths. So I am going to write the digits which corresponds to units place. So I will be writing here 5 and this one we are going to carry it over here. Okay. Now 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. We are getting 12. Again unit and tens. So what we are going to do? We are going to write this, the digit which is in the units place. So I am going to write here 2, carry 1. We have finished with the units place, tens place. Now we have come to hundreds place. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 5 is 14. So we got 14 here. Again in this, the place value of 4 is units and the place value of 1 is tenth. So we will write here 4 carry 1. Now this, after finishing with the hundreds place, we have moved on to thousands place. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. Then here also the place value of 6 is units and the place value of 1 is tenths. So I am going to write here the digit 6, which corresponds to units, and the 1 I am going to carry it over here. So here children, we don't have any digits which is corresponding to thousands, 10,000, sorry. So what I am going to do here, I am going to bring down this 1 directly to the 10,000s place. So what sum I got is, it is 16,425 is the final answer. Now students, here is the assignment for you. Arrange vertically and add. Here I have given the 5 sums. So these 5 sums, we are going to write it neatly in a very good handwriting by making proper columns in your notebook. Students, our next question is add the following. Here we have 24,558 plus 37. First thing is we have to draw the columns mentioning the place value of unit, tenths, hundreds, thousand and 10,000. Then for 24,558 we have to write the 8 in the units place, 5 in the tenths place, 5 in the hundreds place, 4 in the 10,000s place and 2 in the 10,000s place. Similarly for 37 also, 7 in the units place, 3 in the tenths place. Then don't forget to write the plus sign. Now we are going to start the addition from the units, then tenths, hundred, likewise we are going to do. Now let us start. 8 plus 7. Children, 8 plus 7 is 15. 1, 5, 15. So this 5 stands for units and 1 stands for tenths. So I will be writing the digits which corresponds to units. So it is 5 and this 1 I am going to carry it over here. This one I am going to add with 5. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Okay. Now we are finished with units, tenths. Now we move on to hundreds. Now for in hundreds, here we don't have any digits. So what we will do, we will bring directly this 5 here. Now similarly here also children, we don't have any digits here. So we will bring this 4 directly here as it is. And here also we don't have any digits. So we will bring this 2 as it is. So what is the final sum is 24,595 is the final answer. Now question number 2 is 78,509 plus 676. We are going to add this. First what we are going to do is we are going to draw the columns mentioning the place value as unit, tenths, hundred, thousands and 10,000. Now for 78,509 I am going to write 9 in the units place, 0 in the tenths place, 5 in the hundreds place, 8 in the thousands place and 7 in the 10,000s place. Then for 676, 6 in the units place, 7 in the tenths place and 6 in the hundreds place. Don't forget to write the plus sign. Now, as I've told you, we must always start the addition starting from units, then go to tens, then go to hundreds, likewise. Now let us start. 9 plus 6, children. 9 plus 6 is how much? It is 9 plus 6 is 15. So here in 15, the place value of 5 is units and the place value of 1 is tens. So as I've told you earlier, we are going to write the digit which corresponds to units. So I will be writing here 5, and this one I am going to carry to the tens. Now we have finished with the units. Now we are move on to tens. Now this one we are going to add it now. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 7 is 8. Followed. Now tens addition in tens place is over. Now we move on to hundreds place. 5 plus 6, it is 5 plus 6 is 11. In 11, this 1 stands for units and this one, the place value of 1 is tens. So I will be writing the units which corresponds to the digits which corresponds to units, that is 1, and this the digit which corresponds to tens I am going to carry to over here. Now we have come to thousands place. Now this 1 plus 8 is 9, followed, and here we don't have any digits. So what I'm going to do, children, I'm going to bring directly this 7 to the final answer. So what is my final answer is? It is 79,185. Now question number 3 is 49,027 plus 7,401 plus 630. Very first, children, what you have to do? You have to draw the column showing the place value as units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. For 49,027, children, you are going to write 7 in the units place, 2 in the tens place, 0 in the hundreds place, 9 in the thousands place and 4 in the 10,000s place. And for 7,401, 1 in the units place, 0 in the tens place, 4 in the hundreds place, 7 in the thousands place. And for 630, you are going to write 0 in the units place, 3 in the tens place, 6 in the hundreds place. Don't forget to write the plus sign. Now the next thing is, children, we are going to start the addition always from the units, then move on to tens, then move on to hundreds, then move on to thousands likewise. Now let us start to add. 7 plus 1 is how much? 8. And 8 plus 0 is 8. Why? Because here 0 doesn't have any value. So 8. Now as we finish with the units, move on to tens. 2 plus 0 is 2. Why? Because 0 doesn't have any value. So 2 plus 0 is 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Followed? Now as we move on to tens, finish with tens, we'll move on to hundreds. Now 0 plus 4 is how much? 4. Because 0 doesn't have any value. So 0 plus 4 is 4 and 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. As I've told you that this 0, the place value of 0 is units and the place value of 1 is tens. So I'm going to write the digits which corresponds to units place. So I'm going to write here 0 and this one I'm going to carry it over here. Followed? Now as we finish with the hundreds, move on to thousands. So 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 7 place. Then this one I'm going to carry it over here. Now I'm going to add this 1 with the 4. So 1 plus 4 is 5. Here we don't have any digits. Here also we don't have any digits corresponding to 10,000. So what we will do? After adding 1 plus 4, we get 5. So this 5, we bring it directly over here. So our final sum is 57,058. Followed? Students, here's the assignment for you. Add the following. I have given here 5 sums. So these 5 sums you are going to write down in your notebook by drawing proper columns using ruler and pencil, writing correct place values, and wherever plus signs are required, you are going to write down the plus sign. Not only this, today for the revision of addition, I have given 5 assignments total. So these 5 assignments must be there in your classwork without fail. Thank you.